So guys, this is how the 8-inch futon mattress comes. Comes in this nice little cube. So we're gonna go ahead and you guys are gonna see this expand pretty quickly once we actually take it out of both wrappings. But already you can see how huge this is. And you can help it, again, by just kind of pulling at it. You're gonna wanna leave it up, I mean, I recommend probably 7 hours or so for it to fully expand. And you can step on it to get the memory foam moved around, because that's what's inside. It's a mixture of different pieces of memory foam. So yeah, it's gonna take some time, but it's soft. At first it feels a little bit awkward because all the pieces are some are kind of hard right now, but as it expands and the pieces stop being compressed, they should get softer. It's definitely very fluffy. I mean, you can fit 2 adults at least on here, 3 if they're very thin, couple of kids. It's long enough that someone like me that's 5'9" can easily lay on it. It's raised up pretty high. You know, you got the 8 inches from the floor or from your futon, you know, depends on where you put it at. But it's nice, guys. So here you can see how high it is. So definitely very high. Again, to help speed up the process, you can just kind of walk around it. Definitely helps.